best days of your life.
Tony Talks din.
Udi, Maring, this is our very special tribute for the two of you.
Kang miyak.
Udi, as you move forward to a new chapter, our hearts are filled with so many emotions. Gratitude, pride, and a little sadness. You have been more than a colleague. You have been a sister figure to many of us. A guiding light in moments of uncertainty. And truly, one of the brightest sunshines of our faculty. Your warmth, patience, and gentle strength have shaped our days in ways you may never fully realize. You taught us that kindness is powerful, that dedication is quiet but steady, and that a mother's heart can exist beyond even one's own home.
Wow, wow, wow.
Because you gave the same heart to all of us. Thank you for the countless mornings you brightened, the stories you shared, and the wisdom you gave without hesitation. Thank you so much for being our go-to person every time we have a question about grading system, etc. Thank you so much because you are our dearest, real friend. Wherever you go next, we know you will continue to inspire, nurture, and spread goodness. This is not goodbye with me. This is us sending you off with love, with prayers, and with a promise that you will always be part of our Room 2 family. With me, congratulations on your newest gift and blessing.
Go!
This blessing God has given you. And we truly understand why you need to leave us. It's because you now have this very precious baby.
Front talk show.
Congratulations to you. Mare!
Uy lang ka na.
Mare, as you begin a new journey by planting, by farming, always remember we want you to know how deeply
Asyendera na rin itong kauban ba? Asyendera na.
and light you brought into the faculty. Minawon hindi mo kay Wanay tapian tayo. Minawon hindi mo kay Wanay stick club. Minawon hindi mo kay Wanay himuon mi nga content sa God. You have been one of our sunshine's well. Someone who could lift a heavy day with just a smile, a story, or a thoughtful gesture. You nurtured us, encouraged us, and cared for us in ways only a mother at heart could. Your presence was comforting, grounding, and steady. You reminded us that even in busy or stressful days, compassion can make the biggest difference. Thank you for the laughter you shared, for the chicas, for the chismis, for the
Ay, vlog na.
moments, for the understanding you gave, and for the kind warmth that made this workplace feel like home. Your departure leaves us an empty spot, but it also leaves behind a legacy of kindness and genuine care. As you take this next step, may you continue to shine just as brightly, touching lives the same way you touched ours. You are and forever will be one of our sunshines. Farewell, Mary Grace, and Emily. And because of that, let's take a look at the very special farewell tribute to you.
Video? Video? Nag-video?